Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add logo in Filmora application. To add a logo to your video using the Filmora mobile app, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up your Filmora application from your app drawer. Once you open up the app, click on the plus button under New Project at the top left or at the bottom of the screen in blue. Select a video clip you would like to import from your device's camera roll. After you choose a media, click on the import button at the bottom right corner. Now that you've added a video clip to your timeline, the next thing you'll need to do is to add your logo to your video. Make sure you have a logo that you'd like to add on your device's camera roll. Once you have it, you can tap on the plus button right on the timeline and then select the logo you'd like to use for this video. After selecting the logo, click on Import at the bottom right corner. Now you will be able to import the logo as well. Go ahead and drag the logo from the timeline and place it where you want it to appear throughout your video. Now you can also customize the logo, its size, position, and direction to fit your vision. After you are done adding your logo to your video, go ahead and click on the export button at the top right corner. Select one of the export options and then continue exporting your video and save it to your camera roll. And that way you will be able to add a logo to a video using Filmora app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.